Greetings from the management of Hypnotic Kaleidoscope trains. The snow and frost has given way to an early spring storm. Soon the flowers will bloom, the birds will chirp, and the trains will kaleidoscope. And this thaw couldn't come at a better time. You see, the channel is frozen. There's no lights, there's no views, there's no shares, there's certainly no subscribers. One thing there is not a shortage of is high quality kaleidoscope train videos. We've been digging through the remix archives, coming up with some, dare I say, bangers for you. And we've got a whole bunch to come. So please, tell your friends. Have your friends tell their friends. Soon, we'll all be riding the Kaleidoscope train together. Thank you.